That's a great video topic. Focusing on a first-person perspective, education, and straight-to-the-point advice is key for a financial video. Here is the detailed script. Deciduous Tree Acorns Emergency Savings Script. Hook and context. Could the app you use for investing your spare change actually be the smartest place for your emergency fund? That's what I asked myself when I first started using Acorns. We all know the basics. You need an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months of expenses, safely tucked away. But how do you maximize those savings without exposing them to unnecessary risk? For me, the answer came down to a specific, 3-step strategy using Acorns. Main content, the strategy. Step 1, the later account for tax advantage. The first mistake people make is dumping their emergency money into the standard Acorns Invest, or Core, account. That's a taxable brokerage account, and you don't want a sudden tax event just because you had to tap your emergency money. Instead, I use the Acorns Later account. This is a tax-advantaged retirement account, like a Roth or traditional IRA. Wait, you might be thinking, retirement money for emergencies? Yes. With a Roth IRA, you can withdraw your original contributions, the money you put in, at any time, tax-free and penalty-free. This offers the best of both worlds, tax-free growth potential if you don't need it, and immediate, clean access if you do. Step 2, the less aggressive portfolio setting. Since this is an emergency fund, capital preservation is the priority, not maximizing returns. I do not use the aggressive or moderately aggressive portfolios. Instead, I choose the moderately conservative or conservative portfolio. Why not just 100% bonds? Because historically, a small allocation to stocks, even 20 to 30%, helps hedge against inflation and slightly boost overall returns without creating the wild volatility of a pure stock portfolio. You need to keep your money growing, even marginally, to outpace the real-world inflation rate, which a standard savings account often fails to do. Step 3, automated recurring deposits. Consistency is the secret sauce. You should treat your emergency fund like a non-negotiable monthly bill. I set up an automated recurring deposit, I call it my emergency bill, to move a fixed amount from my checking account to the Acorns Later/conservative portfolio on payday. You're not relying on roundups here, those are for extra investing. The recurring deposit is the main engine that ensures the fund hits its target number quickly. If you hit your target, you can switch the automated deposit to zero, or, better yet, redirect it to a separate, truly long-term aggressive Acorns Invest account. Summary and conclusion. To quickly recap the best way strategy. Use Acorns Later, Roth IRA, to leverage the tax-free and penalty-free withdrawal of contributions. Set the portfolio to moderately conservative for inflation-beating growth without major volatility. Use recurring deposits to consistently and predictably build the fund to your 3 to 6 month target. This turns your emergency savings from a stagnant pile of cash into a protective financial asset that's constantly working for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.